Anna from Sweet Valley Herbs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a themed kitchen herb garden. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is go to your local garden center and pick 6. The 6 I've chosen for my Italian garden are garden chives, we've got Genovese basil, Italian parsley, of course. I have picked French thyme, Greek oregano, and another Genovese basil because you can never have too much basil. So once you've got your herbs for your garden, you're going to make sure that you have a pot, not too big of a pot. A pot this size will work perfectly. Make sure that it has good drainage and that you are using good quality potting soil. I also put worm castings in my soil for a natural fertilizer. Once you have your pot filled, you're going to want to make sure that you know where you want your plants in your planter. I often put the short ones in the front, we put the taller ones in the back. And the first one that I'm going to put in, I like to put my basil in the center. So we have our Genovese basil. Any basil will do in an Italian herb garden, whichever one is your favorite. So we'll plant that one there. Looks lovely. I will now plant the Italian parsley over to one side. Italian parsley is the true culinary variety of parsley. Our parsley is pretty healthy here, ready to be planted, these beautiful white roots. And I'm going to put that right down in beside our basil. Don't worry if your pot is a little bit small. Herbs really do like to be crowded, so it's not really an issue when you put a few plants in one pot. I mean, I'm putting 5 in this pot and they will do just fine, although 3 would do fine too. As you can see, it's still beautiful just like this. Now, I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to put in my French thyme. All of these herbs are wonderful in a pasta sauce, pizza. We have a beautiful bruschetta recipe on our website that you can find. And remember, they don't have to just be used with Italian cooking. They can be used in any kind of a dish that you're making. Herbs are so versatile. So now we have an Italian kitchen herb garden. Make sure you put it in full sun. You can put it on your patio, on your deck, on your windowsill. You will have herbs at your fingertips all summer long. Enjoy.